Hello, my dear pharma friends. This is a mega walk-in drive at Alembic Pharmaceutical at locations. The interview locations are Hyderabad, Panchakola, and Haridwar for their injectable formulation site at Karakadi. So they are looking for the following candidates criteria. So you must have an Mpharm or Bpharma or Diploma or ITA with minimum 1 to 10 years of experience, exposure to aseptic practices, and good documentation practices are must. Job role: handle manufacturing skids, uh, Fedgary autoclaves, isolator, lyophilizer, while washing and tunnel or while or ophthalmics. So they are looking for the role senior executive, executive, junior executive, or technical officer. Packing, injectable department criteria: Mpharm, Bpharm, Diploma, or ITA, 1 to 10 years of experience. So Hyderabad on Sunday 4th June, and Panchakola Sunday 11th June, and Haridwar Sunday 18th June. So these are the dates and interview venues. So timings also mentioned here. So the interview venues are here: Hotel Sitara Grand at Hyderabad on 4th June, at Hotel KC Crossroad, Panchakola, and Hotel Hypen Haridwar on 18th June. So these are the details, my dear friends. Thank you for watching.